What's up, guys? My name is Joe, and this guy right here is Rich. I just wanted to take this time before I let Rich get into what our channel is about, just to introduce myself and say welcome to WrenchHeads. Hope you enjoy the channel, and don't forget to subscribe.
Hey everybody, what's going on? So I would just like to take a minute and introduce ourselves to you, the people. We are basically car enthusiasts. Just like you guys, we have families, we go to work, we do the best we can with the time that we have, and we answer to our wives. Yes, dear. No, I'm not doing what you think I am. Give me a minute. Just to give you a little bit about the channel that we're doing. It's really just whether you have a big budget, little budget, wide budget, skinny, marginal use of a budget. We know how you guys feel because, like I said, we're just like you. And whether, you're outbidding, the dark lords of eBay, or you're trekking through the vast marketplace of Amazon, or maybe you're a big site buyer, maybe something like ECS Tuning, or maybe even, Kruber, performance.com, something like that. No matter what your preference is, we understand what you're looking for, and we know what you guys are going through. So, from buying parts, tools, figuring out the best way to get the job done without a lift on jack stands, maybe, while, your strongest best friend is holding up one side of the car while you quickly climb under it to drain the oil. We're here to help, and we're just going to have fun doing it. If we mess up, stumble, trip, fall, you guys are going to see it. We're not going to try and hide anything from you like that. If you have any questions as far as what we're doing, what we're trying to do, maybe even what we're trying to accomplish down the road, please don't hesitate to ask those questions either on Instagram via direct message or on our YouTube page, WrenchHeads, in the comment section. And we will get back to you as soon as we can with the best answers that we can. And if we don't know something, be assured that we're going to look it up, find out, and let you know. Because just like you guys, we are doing things as we go. We don't know everything. The automotive market is constantly changing. Parts, equipment, tools, things like that. And, we are the DIYers for the DIYers. If you kind of know what I mean, whether you're experienced, novice, or maybe you're just scared to do something and you're looking for information on how to do it and you can't find anything. Drop a comment either on Instagram, on YouTube, like I previously mentioned, and we will do our best to get that to you. And if we can't, then we will point you in the right direction to help you figure out what your needs are. So wrench daily from your neighborhood wrench heads, and have fun.